Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and today we are going to see the first look of your Ansys mechanical APDL. Now, when you install the Ansys in your system, you can open Ansys from the start bar. You can just type APDL. You will find two options, that is mechanical APDL and mechanical APDL product launcher. Okay, so mechanical APDL will directly open the Ansys file and product launcher will give you the option of selecting the working directory and job name. Okay, so whenever you open Ansys for a new document, always start with the product launcher. Okay, so when you click on the product launcher, one window will open with the Ansys. It will initialize the launcher and a product launcher window will come. Now, what are different things in product launcher? First thing is the simulation environment. Okay, right now it is Ansys. Okay, and then license enterprise, it is Ansys mechanical enterprise. That is what you want to select. Then in file management, you will find two options. One is called working directory and one is called job name. Don't get confused with this. A working directory is basically a folder in which you want to save a file, and job name is basically your file name. Okay, so whatever job name you give, that will be your file name, and whatever working directory you select, that file will be stored in that working directory. Okay, so whenever you create a working directory, always create a new working directory for every problem. The reason behind that is whenever you do various things in Ansys, different types of analysis in a single file, it's tend to generate multiple files for a specific part. Okay, so if you check in background, these are the different types of files which are generated in one type. So I am entering into a step bar, these many files generated for a single Ansys problem. So that's why always start with a new working directory. So I have a C drive in which I have created a folder Ansys, in which I'm going to make one more so folder, say introduction, and I will say IT01, introduction 01 as my file name, and it will create a folder for introduction. Okay, and then you can browse the folders also, and then you can just go down here. The first command which you find at the bottom is run. Okay, so I will try to show you. There is a run and the cancel run, so you have to click on run. Sometimes it is difficult, it gets hidden between the taskbar, so you can just hide the taskbar and then click on run. So I have clicked on run. The first dialog box will appear that the directory which you have created introduction is not there in my system. Okay, so first it will try to create. So it is asking to create if you want to create it or not. If you say yes, a new directory will be created, and in that directory your file will be generated with job name IT01. Okay, so now you have opened the Ansys with the first GUI. Now, if you check the folder, Ansys folder, introduction folder is created. Then these many files, the backup file, the error file, the setup, and then everything, each file have its own meaning, own type of output and extension, and that will be useful in future when you try to refer these files. Okay, so still your Ansys file is not generated because we have not started it. The general extension which you get for the Ansys file is .db or .dbb. Okay, so that is what we are interested in. So this is how you can start with your mechanical APDL. In coming videos, we will discuss about how to what is the GUI, and then how to start with our first problem in Ansys. Okay, if you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and share a word about channel with your friends. Thank you for joining.